Hello everyone and welcome to my natural universe. My name is Periski Mom. To my new viewers, thank you so much for your continued support, because of liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing, and continue doing that because I'm doing this for you guys. I'm creating content and without you guys I don't even know what I'll be doing. So continue doing that, and in this video I'll be doing the passion twist, as you can see from the title and from the previous video which I did, and it was about trimming my hair, how I trim my hair. So if at all you've not watched it, I'm going to link it, or you can just go to my channel and it's just the previous video. In the next video I'll be styling this hair. I'll be showing you how, after installing the passion twist, how you're supposed to style it, and probably it works for other hairstyles too. So if at all you're interested in knowing how I install this twist, continue watching the video until the end. You're going to find out. Let's just get to the video. So with this video I'll be doing a passion twist tutorial. Sijawahi fanya ever, so it's my first time, so feel free to maybe correct me or ask me any question, maybe the difficulties I'm going to face. So if you've not watched the previous video that I posted, I was trimming my hair. As you can see, my hair is well trimmed. I normally trim my natural hair like that, so I've already trimmed my hair, and now I want to braid it to use a protective style, that is passion twist. And let's just open one pack of passion twist because I don't even know how I'm supposed to do it. So I got three packs. This is how the packaging looks like. It's from Sister. I got it from this lady town. From Sister, and it's number 133, so it's not like a entirely black. So I have 3 packs, but I don't know whether I'm going to use. So this is like a photo that's being put there. So let's see whether we can achieve that kind of look. I opened one pack off camera because I was so curious on how they look like, and I wasn't impressed. So I have these are 2 packs, and one pack goes for 600, either 600 or 650. So I opened one pack and we have these and we have these, so they just like have the 2 of them around here. But I'll tell you guys, I was surprised. I mean, I wasn't expecting like they'd be looking like this. I thought they're supposed to be slimmer. I'm not a big fan of like thick things. That sounds so funny. It's not funny. I'm not a big fan of thick hair like this. Not these like thick braids or extension or that kind of, but this is how they look like. So I want us to try and see whether it's going to work for us, because clearly this is not what I was going for apparently, but I think we'll just have to work with whatever we have. So let's see how I'm going to do it, and you can tell me whether it's a good idea, whether you like it, maybe don't. I don't know, just how you like it. Let's see, but I really don't love thick hair because I don't even know how it's going. Oh, it's not that bad. Oh, I don't look that bad. Okay, Paris, you're rocking the world. I can mean. So I don't think it's that bad, but let's see how I'm gonna do it. So I want to leave out my hair around the circumference. This is too thick. You can opt to go with slimmer like this one, but I want like this thick because I feel like the hair is too huge. So I'm just going to do that all around the circumference. So I've separated the circumference of my hair with the rest of my hair. So I'm going to do some cornrows around here, and these ones are going to be single braids or twists, and these are going to be single twists, and around this area is going to have some cornrows. So I'm not good with cornrows, so probably I'm going to do it offline, but I can just do it just for the sake. They're going to look funny because I'm not an expert with cornrows, and then my hair is thick, and right now it's like natural, it's not stiff, so it's going to be a struggle, but I'm gonna do it. So let's just do it. So I'm done doing the cornrows, and zinakaa vile zinataka. Actually, I can't even show you more than that because I feel like they look horrible. But we're really going to work with this, and then this part I'm going to do the single twist. So let me do that, and that one I can do you guys seeing because I don't have any doubt with that. So I just braid a little bit, like to that extent. Hope you can see that. And then, so I'll do these all around the circumference of my head. I'm saying this because I might not be able to record the entire thing. I don't have a light, and I'm using natural light, and natural light is just going away. Getting late, it's like 5. And so with this hair, I'll just pick one. I'm really sorry because I can't be able to record the entire thing. I wanted to do that, but I had some errands to run in the morning and I couldn't. So with this strand, it looks like this, and so I want to unravel the twist and just twist it on my hair directly. So I'm separating this hair strand, and it looks like this when it's separated. So I'll just twist it normally how people twist, but I'll first fix it using my crochet. Fix it like this. Just make sure that they're equal, like this, and then twist down my hair. The normal way you twist your hair. Well, I don't even think you can see my hair totally. So that's what I'll work with. So So I'm completely done doing my hair. As you can see, I'm really done. And I actually think it looks good. So I basically used 2 packs of passion twist number 133. Okay, thank you so much. I used 2 packs. They recommended 3, but I just think 2 are enough. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed every bit of it. Continue commenting, subscribing, and liking this video because, guys, I'm doing this for you. And if at all you have any questions regarding this or anything else that is related to hair, comment, DM me at Periski Mom on Instagram and Facebook. You can comment down below, or if you know me, you can ask me, you can text me. So I'll see you next time.